Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 165 and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application. You will also need a Connect IQ Store application to download additional watch faces. So I recommend you to open the App Store on your phone and download the Connect IQ Store application. And once you have the watch paired with your phone and the Connect IQ application on the phone that is paired with your watch, we can continue and we can open the Connect IQ app on the phone. And once you open the application and you go through the welcome page, you should see the IQ Store. It's gonna load in a second, and here we have it. And as you can see, we have the list of different apps and watch faces. I'm gonna tap on search right here, select the watch faces category, which will basically narrow my searches only to watch faces, and I can scroll through the list, find the watch face I like to install on my watch, and once I find the watch face I can tap on it to open the info page for it. And here we have the screenshots, and you have the news, when it was updated, version. You can also check the list of compatible devices to check if your watch is compatible with this watch face. Let's scroll through the list, look for the Forerunner, and we have the Forerunner 165 here, which means that the watch is compatible. And once you're done checking the info, you can tap on the install button, tap on allow, and wait. It may take a couple of minutes or even longer sometimes for it to install, depending on what's in the queue. As you can see, it's queued right now, so it means that it's waiting for the installation. If it takes long, you can go back to the main page of store, tap on my device, and here you can see the download queue. As you can see, the watch face is the first one. We need to wait until it installs. So let's wait. I'm gonna just wake up the screen on the watch to check if something changed. Nothing changed, so let's wait. Okay, it took a while, as you can see, but finally it installed. Usually when the watch face installs, you will get the pop-up on the screen that it's ready to use. This time it didn't. This is weird, but like I said before, usually you get the pop-up, you can tap on Got It, and the watch face will be applied after it's installed. Okay, and of course, after you're done installing the watch faces you like, you can also tap on my device here, tap on my watch faces, and you will see the list of watch faces installed on your watch. And for some reason this watch face is on not installed list, but it's applied on the watch. Something bugged out in the process, as you can see. But usually, like I said before, you install the watch face, you get the pop-up, and the watch face will be applied. We could try installing another one, for example, let's say this one. Okay, this one is installing, and it's applied immediately. Okay, so something is wrong with that other watch face. And if you want to uninstall the watch faces, you can go to the my device, my watch faces, tap on the watch face, and then you can tap on uninstall to remove it. And now the other watch face is installed. Okay, something bugged out definitely. But to install the watch face, you basically open this app, find the watch face, tap on install, and it's gonna install. And once you're done, you can close the app. And that's how you install or download additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.